You were saying to get to the void, which is where the mad scientist was, you need a potion. Just get Mika. Mika is not a potion witch. She's the witch of life. Know the difference? How are we going to find her? I mean, it's not just also potion witch, just potion wizards or potion sorcerers. Yeah, that's my question. How are we going to find her? I actually did some research and it says that Slytherin can help us. What the hell? That's so stupid. How are you going to summon Slenderman, who's not even real, to help us out? He's real. Okay, but if it doesn't happen, we just wait for it to happen. First, we need a loaf of bread. How the hell is this going to help us summon Slenderman? So first watch then we say his name 3 times. Slenderman. Enough. Okay, this got to be the most stupidest thing I ever. Don't worry, it'll work. Oh, hi Komodo.
Don't mind me, I am just dancing.
Yeah, but do not go outside. There's a huge hurricane. What is what? A sudden. No, wait, what? So much system. So much system. Come on, get up. Oh, nice. It's getting strong. Oh my gosh, what is Slenderman doing here? I told you. He is real. Right as in forgotten, he said to help out to make a potion. Okay, that's good. But Slenderman, can you stop? Looks like you're going to attack me. But that's just his basic fun. He just got his mascara done and you're offending him. Mascara? What? Yeah. Well then, let's finish this potion, go to the void and end this mad science. Are you sure this is the right potion? Oh, Ice Noah, come! What is it? I want you to freeze this potion immediately. Just do it. Then you leave me alone. Fine. Okay. Hey potion, let me in the void. Oh. Hey potion, let me in the void. It's not working. I'm not. I need to get in to stop him. Really can't go alone. It's gonna take forever. Who is that? Oh my gosh, it's the Scarlet Witch version of Suffocating. It's that cool. Damn, you're mean. You know what? I don't want your autograph. Let's fight. What is going on? Oh my gosh. See, which is bad. Normal. Hey, do you want me to help you fight the Scarlet Witch? Don't, sis. I can handle it. Okay. Enough. I don't want two witches fighting while I'm busy.